Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today, as you guys can see with me, I have the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and I will show you two of the cool features for this tablet from a student perspective. Okay guys, so the first thing that I want to show you, because if you are a student you have to use the tablet continuously for longer periods, for reading, for studying, for writing. So sometime what it cause eye strain, but in this tablet they give very cool feature and that will avoid the eye strain. So I will show you what's that feature guys. So what you have to do, you have to scroll down from top, and you go into the settings option, and when you go from the down, you will see an option. It says blue light filter. Okay guys, you can see here, and I will show you. So this is blue light filter. Okay guys, so I will click on it. Okay, so when I click on it, it is showing me it reduce eye strain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. Because guys, in the tablets or in the mobile phone or even in the laptops, there is a blue light coming out of it, and if you use for the continuous period of time for longer hours, it will cause eye strain. So in this tablet they give this cool and amazing feature which will reduce eye strain by using the blue light filter. Okay guys, so currently it is off, so I will turn it on. Okay, so once I turn it on, you see the color of the screen is changed a little bit, and then I press done. Okay guys, so now if you see the color of the screen is changed just a little bit, and if you use this option, so you can study for a longer hour of time. You can watch the screen for the tablet for longer hours guys. So this is a really cool and really amazing feature if you are a student. So this Tab S6 Lite is giving you a really amazing feature. Okay, the second feature that I want to show you is called convert your handwriting into text, and I will show you how you guys can do it. So first of all, go into the Samsung Notes. Okay, so Samsung Notes, open a new screen. Okay, and then whatever you write here guys, it can turn into the text. So this is really important from a student perspective. So you have to write, you have to take notes a lot, and for your lectures, or what if you watch some video, you have to write it down, the important things, and then you can write it down on the tablet, and then later on you can convert it into the text, and you can also save it. So whatever I write here, for example, for whatever I write here, I can convert into I can convert into I can convert into the text guys, and I will show you how guys. Okay, so I write this thing, and now I convert this into the text. So I will go down, and when you go down you see an option, and the option here, you see there is a small T symbol. Okay guys, so just click on this one, and when you click on it, you can say here it already converted it for me, and it's right here. Whatever I write here, I can convert into text. Okay, so then you can convert it. Okay, and then it comes like this guys. Okay, and you can also make it bigger if you want. Just you can zoom it like that. Okay, okay guys, and you can make changes into this. So there are other options as well. So if you want to write here, so I can write here, I can add other things as well. Okay guys, and then again I can convert this into text. Okay, so same option, what you have to do, you have to go down, and you see this text T option, it says text. So just click on it, and you can see here it says right here, and then you can use this option which is says convert. So I convert it. So you can see here I add the other thing on this as well. On the top writing I add other writing. So this is how you guys can convert your writing into the text. So this is a really important feature from a student perspective, and it's a really cool and really amazing feature guys. So guys, I hope you like the video. I will make more videos about this Tab S6 Lite and its functions, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.